This is problem 10.1.15. First part of the problem is to determine the null and alternative hypothesis. In this situation, we have the president of a college believes that the proportion of students who enroll in her institution have a lower completion rate. The stated completion rate was 0.393, so the null hypothesis is the proportion of students who finish their degree within 6 years is 0.393. This president thinks it's lower. They have a lower completion rate, so the alternative to it being equal to 0.393 is that the proportion is less than 0.393. Now, given that information, which of the following is a type 1 error? You can see which part is highlighted. A type 1 error, you could see, is in the table. Type 1 error is when you reject the null hypothesis, but the null hypothesis is actually true, and so that's a type 1 error. So in this case, the president rejects the hypothesis, right, the null hypothesis, when in fact the proportion is actually equal to 0.393, and so that's where that answer comes from. What is a type 2 error? Type 2 error, looking at this one here, type 2 error is when you do not reject the null hypothesis, but H1 is true. So in this case, the answer should be the president, not this one here, not D. The answer would be that the president fails to reject the null hypothesis when the proportion is actually less than, and so that would be this one here, that it's less than 0.393. That's what it really is, but we failed to reject the null hypothesis that it is equal to 3.93.